In this video, we're going to talk about how to sketch graph an exponential curve and a logarithmic curve. So exponential curve standard equation is y equals a to the exponent of x. So x is an exponent. So for example, if I have y equals 2 to the exponent of x and I need to draw a graph, then I know it's going to go through 1 and it will flow in this direction. When it's a smaller number, smaller than 1, like a half to the power of x, then it will flow in this direction. So if you battle with this, you always pick yourself x values and you calculate the y values. So always take, for example, -1, 0, and 1, and then go and calculate. So if I put -1 in there, I will get a half there. So, and then so you can, if you put a 0, then you will get a 2 there, and if I put a 1, you get a 2. So you can all the time see what the values is. So you use your calculator, you submit these values into it, and that will give you the plots as to plot the graph as well. So if I go to a logarithmic curve, now I have a log or a ln value there. So then you have to, where this exponential curve is above the logarithmic curve is on the right hand side of the y, so over the x. So you will see that, for example, if you have the graph of y equals the log 2 of x, it will be on this side, and the log half of x will be on this side, but the incline will be this way, and that one it will go out this way. So as well, if you need to find out how to draw this, you pick yourself a domain list. So once again, you pick x and y values on this side, even if you take a half, a 1 and a 2, for example, and you substitute this into x and use your calculator, you will calculate the y values. That will give you the values to plot this, and you can always see in which direction your graph is going, so that you find it easy to draw. Remember, this is just sketchcraft, so you do not need to show all the other values and work a scale out. You just need to show or indicate your x and your y axis, your direction, and a point on the graph that you just calculated or know.